Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and this is EleWebDev. EleWebDev is short for Elementor Website Development. This channel is dedicated to beginners and intermediates of the Elementor page builder for WordPress. Today's tutorial is all about turning on the edit handles. They're a handy feature to have in order to edit all of the widgets inside of Elementor. So let's take a look. So here I am on a page, and if you're new to Elementor, you may not know that edit handles are a thing. You may know that you do have edit handles when it comes to, the handle of a section or a column. I am working with containers. Containers feature is coming, so I thought I would help you out with containers as well. So if I hover over this header, I have a container that has some tabs on it because it is the main, what I like to call the parent container. And inside of this parent container, there is a title. And all I have right now is just a pencil icon. And maybe you're used to just having that. Did you know there's more? So let's go over here to the hamburger icon in the edit heading feature, and I'm going to click on the hamburger, and we're going to go to user preferences. And inside of user preferences, there is a thing called edit handles, or editing handles, if I can get that on the screen. There we go, editing handles. And it has a little on-off switch, and it either is yes on or no off. So we're going to turn it on. And the page did a little quick refresh, and that's okay. And I'm just, for whatever it's worth, I'm just going to hit update. Going to hit the update button. All right. So now when we come back to the edit handles, the main container has a new icon in it, which is duplicate container. It was not there before, but it is there now since we turned on the editing handles. And if we come over and hover on the pencil icon, we get a duplicate button and a delete button that flies out once we hover over the pencil icon. So I hope this quick tip helped you out in getting more out of your edit handles.